Chamomile. Just the name sounds calming, doesn't it? Maybe it's the soft cheech sound or the promise of a good night's sleep. Whatever it is, this little flower packs a powerful punch. Not only is it beautiful to look at, but it's also incredibly versatile. From ancient remedies to modern skincare, chamomile's been a superstar for centuries. Want to relax after a long day? Chamomile tea. Skin feeling a little irritated? Chamomile cream. Trouble sleeping? You guessed it, chamomile. The best part? It's surprisingly easy to grow. You don't need a green thumb or a fancy garden. Just a little bit of sunshine, some water, and a sprinkle of love, and you'll have a bounty of chamomile in no time. So, are you ready to welcome this miracle herb into your life? Let's get growing. Planting chamomile is like tucking your seeds into bed for a peaceful slumber. But instead of blankets and pillows, they prefer sunshine and well-drained soil. First things first, timing is everything. Early spring is ideal for most climates. You can start chamomile indoors or sow directly into your garden. Just make sure there's no danger of frost. Next, sure there's no danger of frost. Next, choose a sunny spot for your chamomile babies. They love to soak up the rays. Sprinkle your seeds on top of the soil and gently press them down. Don't bury them too deep, they like to breathe. Finally, water your seeds gently and keep the soil moist. Imagine you're giving them a little rain shower. In a week or two, you should see tiny green sprouts emerging. Congratulations, you're officially a chamomile parent. Chamomile plants are pretty low maintenance. They're like the succulents of the herb world, but a little TLC goes a long way. Sunshine is their best friend. Make sure they're getting at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. As for water, think of it like this. You wouldn't want to drown your plants in a swimming pool, would you? Water them deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. And here's a fun tip talk to your chamomile. Whisper words of encouragement. Sing them a little song. Okay, maybe not literally, unless that's your thing. But studies show that plants respond well to positive vibrations. So, live plants respond well to positive vibrations. So, channel your inner plant whisperer. Section 4, harvesting time. Snip, snip, hooray. After weeks of patiently waiting, it's finally time for the most satisfying part, harvesting your chamomile. You'll know they're ready when the flowers are fully open and the petals are bright white. The best time to harvest is in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the sun gets too intense. This ensures the highest concentration of essential oils, which is where all the magic happens. Grab a pair of sharp scissors and snip the flower heads just below the bloom. Don't be shy, those chamomile plants are resilient and will produce even more flowers with regular harvesting. Section 5, chamomile tea. Your cup of calm awaits. Ah, chamomile tea. The ultimate symbol of relaxation and tranquility. And the best part, making it with your homegrown chamomile is incredibly easy and rewarding. First, dry your chamomile flowers. You can do this by spreading them out on a clean towel in a well-ventilated area or using a food dehydrator. Once they're completely dry, store them in an airtight container. To make tea, simply steep a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a dash of honey or lemon for extra flavour. And there you have it, a cup of pure bliss. Curl up with your chamomile tea, close your eyes, and let the gentle aroma and soothing flavour melt your stress away. Section 6. Beyond tea, chamomile for skin and home. Chamomile is a multi-talented herb. Not only does it make a mean cup of tea, but it's also a superstar in skincare and home remedies. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a godsend for irritated skin. You'll find it in countless skincare products, from cleansers to moisturizers. You can even make your own chamomile face mask by mixing dried chamomile flowers with honey and yogurt. For home remedies, chamomile can be used to soothe headaches, ease digestive discomfort, and even promote wound healing. It's like having a natural medicine cabinet right in your backyard. Section 7, chamomile. Grow it, love it, live better. So there you have it, folks. From planting to harvesting and beyond, chamomile is truly a gift that keeps on giving. It's easy to grow, incredibly versatile, and boasts a plethora of health benefits. Imagine this you, curled up on the couch with a warm cup of chamomile tea, the scent filling your home with tranquility, your skin glowing with health, all thanks to this little miracle herb. Growing chamomile is more than just gardening. It's an investment in your well-being. So go ahead, plant some chamomile and embrace a calmer, healthier, and more delicious life. And if all else fails, at least you'll have a lovely cup of tea to sip on while you contemplate the mysteries of the universe.